Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED strip lights that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Lightstrip Plus. Philips Hue makes the best smart bulbs, so we had high hopes for them ranking among the best LED strip lights. We love that it works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Microsoft Cortana, SmartThings, and IFTTT. However, for remote access, you will need to purchase a Philips Hue hub, an extra cost to consider, which is one reason we named this our best upgrade pick for the best LED strip light. You can skip the hub and opt for Bluetooth control only via the Philips Hue Bluetooth app for iOS and Android. Make sure you stay within range. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus puts out 1,600 lumens, which illuminates dark spaces. In the Hue app, you can set the lights to one of 16 million colors, or opt for one of the many fantastic preset light settings. The app is straightforward to navigate and use. One feature that impressed us is that cut segments can be reused and reconnected to other strip portions using the Philips Hue connector. This is not the case for most smart light strips. You can sync them with your home entertainment system, which is an excellent feature, but the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box is required to make it work. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Nanoleaf Essentials Matter Light Strip. The Nanoleaf Essentials Matter Light Strip is a trimmable and dimmable LED smart light with a maximum brightness of 200 lumens, the brightest in our guide. The color output is incredible, with a temperature range from 2700K to 6500K. The strip is thick and durable and made for long-term use. It also supports Matter, so you can use it across your preferred smart home ecosystem, like Amazon Echo, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. While this LED strip light produces incredibly vibrant shades of tunable whites and over 16 million colors, there are a few qualms to note. The cord connection between the strip and the controller tends to come apart. This shouldn't be much of an issue once you install it, but it was a bit annoying during our setup. Additionally, the Nanoleaf app is challenging to navigate and lacks certain features that others in our guide have. Compared to other light strips from Kasa, Govee, and LIFX, it's also pretty hot after being on for more than 15 minutes. At number 3, we have the Eve Light Strip. The Eve Light Strip is made for the Apple ecosystem, making it the best LED strip light for HomeKit that you can buy. The 800 lumen strip light offers a wide array of full-spectrum white and colors. While we had a pleasant and easy experience with the Eve strip, there are a few shortcomings. This strip light isn't as customizable as some others. It offers no fun lighting effects or presets. You're limited to single colors only. The only smart home assistant it's compatible with is Siri, which enables Apple users to change the color, adjust the brightness, and turn it on/off. You can do so remotely with any iOS device that functions as an Apple Home Hub, including an iPad, Apple TV, or Apple HomePod. The Eve Energy app is also iOS exclusive, and the strip supports Apple's HomeKit adaptive lighting. This iOS feature automatically adjusts the color temperature as the day goes on. Overall, Android users should avoid this light strip. Like most strip lights, Eve's is trimmable, or you can add a few of Eve's extension strips up to 32.8 feet. We had issues with the adhesive backing, which tore off in a few spots during setup and made the lights hard to stick into place. At number 2, we have the Kasa Smart Multicolor Light Strip. The Kasa Smart Multicolor Light Strip makes creating custom eye-catching light displays easy. Powered by the Kasa app, these lights are quick and easy to set up, and they have a bubble-like polyurethane coating that helps to protect the diodes. The lights are most straightforward to install with 2 people. One person to hold the strip up and another to peel off the backing and place the strand. But the adhesive is strong and won't go anywhere until you remove it. The strip has a lot of writing, making it unattractive when the lights are off, so you may only want to use this option in concealed locations. The Kasa Smart Multicolor Light Strip offers incredible functionality. The 16-foot strand has 50 customizable color zones that you can set to 16 million colors. Thanks to the strip's built-in integrated circuit chip, the zones can be controlled separately, creating fun custom patterns. And finally, at number 1 we have the GoviGlide RGBIC Wall Light. The GoviGlide RGBIC Wall Light uses adhesive for installation and displays a lovely range of colors, but it's a different take on a light strip. The 7-piece gadget snaps together to create a thick, light bar ideal for gaming and watching movies. It uses Govi's RGBIC technology, which enables it to display multiple colors simultaneously in a neat, flowing effect. While it took some elbow grease to lock the pieces, that minor frustration was soon forgotten after watching the strip transform into an immersive lighting experience. Music sync mode can be used on any device with the Govi app or a built-in mic to listen to nearby sounds and create a reactive light show. The wall light connects over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It also responds well to voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant to adjust the colors, brightness levels, scene modes, and power. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.